Hello, this is my presentation, a scientific analysis of research output of science faculties of University of Pune by myself under the supervision of Dr. Sadanand Bansode, then Professor and Head of Department Library and Information Science, University of Pune. Layout of the presentation: conspectus, preamble, need of the present study, objectives, hypothesis, scope and limitations, research methods adopted, literature review, population and data, major findings, hypothesis, major suggestions, scope for further research, and conclusion. Conspectus. The entire gamut of the study has been discussed and presented under the following broad chapters: Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Review of Scientometrics, Chapter 3 University of Pune and its departments, Data Analysis and Interpretation, and last Chapter 5 is Findings, Suggestions and Conclusion. Preamble, that is introduction of this study, is scientometrics are those quantitative methods which deals with the analysis of science viewed as an information process. Scientometrics determine the development of science through scientific research. Scientific research has got the worldwide importance. It has also got the recognition in universities due to PhD programs, in-house projects and extramural funding. Projects undertaken by the faculties from government and private agencies. Research output. The research undertaken by the faculty members in universities gets published in scholarly peer-reviewed journals, proceedings in the forms of research papers, assessing the performance. Research papers are one of the main criteria for assessing the scientific research of the faculty to analyze the research output and growth of the research in university. Research papers determines the science progress of an individual, institutes, country, etc. Need for the study was as follows. Savitribai Phule Pune University was established in 1949, formerly University of Pune. University's science faculties in science departments are engaged in teaching research since its inception. The research output of these faculties gets published in national and international journal in the form of research papers. Research output of the faculty needs to be assessed because no study has been conducted to analyze the research output of the science faculties of the university. So it is imperative to analyze the contribution, growth and impact of research output of science faculties in the science departments of university by formulating the research problem as scientometric analysis of research output of the science faculties of University of Pune. The objective of the study are to know the publication pattern of science faculties in university, to find out the collaborative effort made by the science faculties of university at national and international level, to find out the country-wise publication of the science faculties of university at national and international level, to find out proportion of paper published by faculties in Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar, to find out H index ranking of individual faculties of the university based on their research, to find out H index impact of research output of the total faculty of university. The hypothesis: 1. The research activity of science in university is on growing path. The collaboration research in university is strong. Scope and limitation of the study: Savitribai Phule Pune University, its science departments and science faculties, 16 science departments, its 164 faculties in the academic year 2013 and 14. The 164 faculty for this study are considered from their joining in the university to the end of December 2014. Research methods adopted in the study. The study is carried out using descriptive research method and scientometric technique. The data collected using following sequence: firstly collected CVs of faculty. CVs of science faculties along with the list of publications were collected personally by visiting science departments. The data for faculties was also gathered from annual reports, website and research compendium of the university to support the data collected from individual faculty. Citation database were used to collect the faculty's data were Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar. The data was searched using search query, faculty name, affiliation and period of the faculty in university. The general metrics used for the study are JCR, HJR and GSM. Second, data. The data was collected from faculties and retrieved from 3 citation data sources. For each science faculty, were summed together for all faculties of each department and sorted for common publication. The department-wise publications data thus were summed together for all 16 departments to find out total and actual publication of the university after sorting common publication at individual department and university level. Thus, there were 4 data sets that is obtained from CV's Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar. Data was tabulated and analyzed using Microsoft Excel. All the publications available from above sources have been quantitatively analyzed. Literature review for the study was conducted. Literature review of scientometrics and its related aspects such as definition, history, scope, scientometrics, indicators and data sources for scientometric studies were carried out thematically. On the line of present topic, 9 PhD theses submitted to Indian universities found in Shodhaganga and Union Catalogue of Implement were reviewed. Review is supported by 305 references found in books, chapters, periodicals, articles, proceedings, papers, annual reports, research reports, print thesis, institutional repositories, digital libraries, website, database and web portal, etc. This study is carried out using 18 science indicators to analyze the research output of university science faculties such as designation-wise productivity, gender-wise productivity, gender and designation-wise distribution, subject and gender-wise distribution, type of documents, year-wise distribution, authorship, characteristic pattern, collaborative pattern, country-wise distribution, most productive journal, ranking of journal by impact factor, highly cited publication, most productive faculty by H index, most productive department, the most ranked department by H index and research impact of university by H index. The population and data. The 164 science faculty members from 16 science departments and their 4095 actual papers collected from CV and data retrieved from Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar forms the population of this study, which is shown in following table. This data was collected for 1980 to 2014. Table shows that data collected through CV's total publication 4,476 after rectification of 331, that is common publication, actual publication found to be 4,095. Out of 4,095 papers, 2,181 appeared in Web of Science. There were 234 common publication and actual publication found in Web of Science 1,947. The same way in Scopus, papers were appeared 2,648 out of actual publication 495. There were 357 common paper among the university authors and 2,219 papers were actually found in Scopus. Paper appeared in Google Scholar out of total publication, actual publication 3,814, of which 355 were common publication and actual publication were 3,459 in Google Scholar out of actual publication collected from faculty 4,095. Major finding of the study: type of publication preferred by science faculties. The faculty's most preferred publications patterns are research articles published in journal 3,475, that is 84.76%, proceeding paper 373, 91.1%, and book chapters 135, 3.29%, and others 116, that is 2.8%, that is report, editorials, patent letters, etc. Year-wise distribution of research publications shows that the faculty's university is in increasing mode. The pattern of research activity of university is on increasing path, that is, it is growing with an average 117, that is 2.85% publication per year, which is in conformity with the hypothesis 1. Hence, the hypothesis, the research activity of university in science is on growing path. 5-year productivity of the research publication shows that the publication output of faculty university is in increasing mode. It shows that it is in conformity with hypothesis 1. Hence, the hypothesis, the research activity of university in science is on growing path. Universities collaborative research by science faculty, as shown in a table, states that collaboration at national level is 28.22%, that is 1156 publications are collaborated nationally. At international level, 458 paper collaborated with 11.18%, and with and within university departments and with research scholars, 2,159 papers were published collaboratively, having percentage 57.72. So total there were 3,773 paper out of 495. In percentage it is 92.12% papers are collaborative in university. So it can be said that that faculty collaborated 92.10% publication, which is in conformity with hypothesis number 2, that is the collaborative research university is strong. The most preferred countries for publication by faculties. The top 5 countries where the faculty prefer to publish their work are India 1,337, USA 1,021, UK 609, Netherlands 541, and Germany 139. University faculty, out of 495 publications published, 1,373, that is 32.64 publication in India, and remaining 2,787, that is 67.36% publications in foreign countries. Proportion of articles appeared in Web of Science, Scopus, and Google Scholar. The table shows that data sources CVs, that is CVs, there were article 3,471 article appeared in 1,260 journal. These are articles collected from faculties out of 4,095 publications. Out of this 3,471 article in Web of Science appeared 2,258. In 639 journal, percentage is 65.702%. Paper appeared in Web of Science out of 100%. In Scopus, 2,597 paper appeared out of 3,471, and journals appeared 774 out of 1,260, resulting into the percentage 73.25% papers that is appeared in Scopus. In Google Scholar, 2,607 paper, resulting into percentage 75.10% out of 347 total articles appeared in Google Scholar, and it appeared in 8,011 journal that is covered by Google Scholar. So Google Scholar indexed more articles than Scopus and Web of Science. Ranking of faculties of university based on their H index. Ranking in Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar shows that D.D. Dhawale is the first ranked faculty among all science faculties by H-index in Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar, where Dowlai's H-index in Web of Science is 22, it is 21 in Scopus, and it is 24 in Google Scholar. University's H-index for actually 4095 publications of science faculties collected from CVs, and it is shown in the table. First, in Web of Science, H-index of university is 50. Out of 4095, 1947 paper appeared with citation 19,212. In Scopus, the university's H-index found 56 with papers, publications 2,291 with citation 20,878. In Google Scholar, H-index of university found to be 70 with 3,459 paper out of 4,095 with 33,493 citations. So, university's index for actual publication in Web of Science is 50, in Scopus it is 56, and in Google Scholar it is 70. Google Scholar recognized highest H-index than Scopus and Web of Science for actual publications. The maximum journal articles published by university faculties are 52 in Journal of Applied Physics. USA stood first in rank. Faculty published their 3 articles in Nature, the highest ranked impact factor journal, published from UK with impact factor 38.138 in Journal Citation Report, 21.9 in HJR, and H5379 in JSM. The highly cited article of university is Thiosemi-carbonate complex of copper, structural and biological studies by Dr. Kumbar A.S. from chemistry department, who is the co-author of this article, and it is published in Coordination Chemistry Review, volume 123, and issues are 1 and 2 in the year 1993. Dr. Kumbar A.S. from chemistry department is the highly cited author of the university for above article with 577 citations in Web of Science, 583 citations in Scopus, and 672 citations in Google Scholar. The Department of Physics is the top ranked department in Google Scholar with H-index 44. Chemistry is the top ranked department in Web of Science, H-index 38, and the Physics is the top ranked department in Scopus, H-index 36 out of 16 science departments of the university. Department of Physics is the top ranked department of H-index with 44 in Google Scholar. Major suggested by the study: the faculty should try to publish their research paper in journals showing high impact factor. Junior faculty members like assistant professors should be encouraged to publish their research papers as their share is less than senior members. University research at national international level can be improved by making collaborative partnership with research laboratories, industries within the country and abroad. University faculty should prefer quality national and international journal published from India for international recognition, as its 7.36% publications are published in foreign countries. Productivity of university is confirmed to selected faculties observed in Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar in terms of publications, citations, H-index, so other faculties should be prompted to improve their performance. Productivity of university is confined to selected few departments observed in Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar in terms of publications, citation, H-index. Other departments should be promoted to improve their performance. University's total publications share citation and H-index in citation indices like Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar needs to be improved by publishing in quality journals covered in JCR, HJR and GSM. Scope for further research found through this study is similar studies can be carried out for arts and humanity and social sciences faculties or all the faculties of university can be studied as a whole. A comparative scientific study of science faculties of colleges affiliated to Savitribai Phule University in Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar. Conclusion of the study. The study is the quantitative study of contribution made by 164 science faculties of Savitribai Phule Pune University based on 4095 publications published during 1980 to 2014 and collected from CVs of the faculties. The publication of the faculties are also collected from Web of Science, Scopus and Google Scholar. Overall, the university's science department and its faculties publications are increasing. Their collaboration in writing research papers at different level is also increasing, and the research productivity of the science faculties at university university, that is Savitribai Phule University, is showing noticeable impact. Thank you very much.